All right, got another question here for you. Saying an antique purchase for $1,000 increases its value by 9.5% every 5 years. I'm going to start with that formula. All right, so I'll just again remind you of what the general formula looks like. Okay, so the initial value, the starting amount, in this case is $1,000. Okay, the value is increasing, so we're going to add the rate, which needs to be a decimal, divide by 100. And then I'll just leave n. N's going to be a little interesting in this question, but it's not going to be too bad. You'll be able to wrap your head around it. So here's my equation. I should say A equals that. Okay, so that's going to be how much the antique is worth after n times the rate is applied. The rate's applied every 5 years. So n is like the number of times 5 years goes by. Okay. I'll show you how to deal with that in our example here. So we're going to ask, when was it going to be worth $2,000? Well, that's going to be y2. This is going to be y1. We're finding an x value time, so that's going to be an intersect. So I'm hoping everyone's good at that. y1, just put it in, it's 1,000 times 1.095 to the power of x. Okay, y2 is 2,000. Now with these exponential functions, your window is really important here. The x, don't go negative. You don't want any negative values right now. We'll go up to 10, that's fine. These are the window settings I used in our example with the car. This antique I don't think is going to be worth $30,000 anytime soon. It starts at 1,000 and goes up. We want it to go to at least 2,000. So I'll go to 2,500 here. Okay, let's see if we see it. Oops, I got some dots there. Turn off my stat plot in a second. Okay, this is going to look good. Okay, first thing I'll do is turn off my stat plot. Hit graph again. Alright, and then we just got to do our steps for intersect. Okay, we'll get our answer real quick. So, go into your calc menu. Choose intersect. Press enter 3 times. So we get that x equals 7.64. Okay, but that's this value n, and n is the number of times 5 years goes by. So you're going to have to multiply that by 5. Okay, so we're looking at about 38.2 years. Okay, and I'll just talk about that a bit more. N isn't always the number of years, it's just been like that because we've done fairly simple examples. This time n is every 5 years. So if you get n as 7.64, that means 5 years has gone by that many times. Just multiply by 5, you'll get the number of years.